look up the product ID, and we need the lookup component. Oh, where's the lookup component? Okay, here. Okay, now we just let the change data move through this lookup. That means we just want to process change data, not send data. Okay, and now we look up on which to which table. We look up to which table. We look up in the product source G2 of product target. Product target. So you want to check if we have that product or not. So then we look for product target. Okay, so then let's you can use the table, or maybe in this case I use only SQL query. Select from dbo.product target. Okay, and in this case, which column should we select? Product ID. So only product ID is enough. So product ID. Okay, and then for the column, let's say we can review the data. Oh yeah, we can. Okay, now we have the columns, and we map it to the lookup product ID, and we choose it as a lookup product ID, right? Lookup product ID. Okay, now you have the lookup. Then we have two flows already. One with the lookup match, and another with the lookup unmatch. Right? So then with the lookup match, which case should be processed? Case 1 or case 2? Case 1, we update. Okay, now how to update a table? Let's look for any component that allow us to update the data. Any component here? You may think that we can perform the update. You can read the description for each component in your machine. So then show me which one should we use to perform the update statement. Okay, no. Multicast, so let's take a look at multicast. So multicast says distribute every input row to every row in one or more in output. For example, branch in data flow to make a copy of data. This is not actually update the table. The data stored in the table. Okay, so let's say, what is it? So it's a runs and SQL statement for each row in the data flow.
Oh.
Right? So then we can use the update statement. So now let's view this where it will come in. Okay, and then we let the flow of the match, lookup match output, and to the OLEDP command. And in the OLEDP command, we declare the SQL statement that will update the data from a table. So in this case, you have to declare the connection manager. So this is the last time we used the company X. Okay, and for the component properties, then we look for the SQL command here. Okay, and then you provide the update statement. Okay, now show me how to update. Update. Okay, update. for which table?
Product target
Yeah, product target. So we have video,
video
product, product target, and what's next? What's more? Set. Okay, set. Set what? So because we have to update all the related columns, right? Then let's bring all the columns from the product table to here. So I'm lazy to type, then I go back to the SQL Server and copy the list of columns. So I go back to here, and the product target, we select. Obviously, there's some data here, 504 rows. So here's the list of columns. So I will copy it. So it's faster, right? Instead of typing one. Where is the, okay, yes. So set, plus. Then set product ID, then now equal to what? Actually, okay, now show me how to complete this statement. So we will not assign product ID because it's existent, right? We are now doing the case number 1. We update only related columns. So then we will not use it now at this moment. Then we just update name equals to the new value. And the new value we will map later by columns. So then we use the parameter with function mark. We declare now only the parameters. So then we declare function mark. So this is the second parameter. Okay, so we do the same with, so this is just a template for the update. Okay, maybe I put product ID here. And then I will copy just for fast typing. So set is available, point, then cost. So we do it with all the related columns. Because we have no idea which columns we will get, and then we have to check over. Okay, modify it. Okay, now how about product type? So is it done? If we remove it, so is it done now? Or anything real with this statement? Yeah, if you don't use where clause, then what's wrong? Yeah, if you get or then it's not true, huh? So that you have to put the where clause here. Where what? Yeah, product ID equals to yeah, not a question mark. So this is a template for your text statement. And then you have to map the value to this template. Okay, we now map it by the column mapping. Now you see for each question mark, there is one parameter.
But we don't have. But we don't know what parameter is for what columns.
Yeah, so this is in the order. That means when you declare the first question mark, this is the parameter 0. This one. So parameter 0 means name. Okay, so we go with column mapping, and then we will map here the name with parameter 0. And this one with the product number, so on.
Except for product.
Yeah, because product ID will be met in the end with the last parameter. Okay, so I need some time to add it. Oh, so many parameters.
Oh my god. I'm not that baby.
Okay, we need two more. Okay, so 25 parameters. Finally, we get. Okay, so now the last one we need product ID. Okay, and then so we click OK.
Oh. Why do we map column ID?
Yeah.
Well, we scroll down. Scroll down to the bottom.
This one.
So the
The
way.
last time we have a where clause.
Yeah.
Yeah, very close with the last parameter, product ID.
Makes sense, makes sense.
Okay, so now we're done with the update. And the next will be the insert. And to insert